I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Use 200 g dark chocolate and 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Choose chocolate with 55-70% cocoa for a firm, glossy ring. Cut a strip of baking paper to 3.5 inches width so the strip wraps slightly higher than your cake edge. Use an 8-inch cake ring or stencil to match your cake diameter. Trim the paper to fit snugly. Chill the paper briefly to prevent curling, and lay out a piping bag with a 5 mm round tip for later. Gather a silicone spatula and a heat-proof bowl. Heat 100 ml heavy cream to just below boiling, about 95 degrees C, then remove from heat. Pour cream over 100 g chopped chocolate and stir gently in the center until fully emulsified and smooth. Add 1 tsp corn syrup for shine, if desired, and fold in 2 tablespoons softened butter for stability. Cool the ganache to roughly 40 degrees C so it thickens, but is still pipeable. Test by drawing a ribbon with the spatula. Transfer to the piping bag, and keep warm over a pipe a continuous chocolate ring 1 cm from the cake edge using the baking paper as a guide, keeping pressure steady for an even line. If you want a raised ring, pipe 2 layers, allowing the first to tack for 30 seconds before adding the second. Chill the cake for 15 minutes at 4 degrees C to set the ring and firm the glossy surface. Remove paper slowly and touch up any gaps with melted chocolate from the piping bag. Then store the finished cake at 16-18 degrees C for best texture before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.